How many pairs of socks would you like?
2.
2? Why only 2 pairs of socks?
I wear 1 pair a week while the others getting washed.
1 pair a week? Oh, yuck. Okay, here you go.
I need 4 pairs.
4 pair? Why 4
I
pair?
put fresh ones on Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Saturday.
Oh, okay. Well, I guess 4 pairs better than 2. Here you go. Go ahead. Hello.
I need 7.
7 pairs of socks? Does that mean 1 pair a day, right? Really?
Yeah.
Wow, that's fabulous. That's what I call a clean scout.
I need 12 pairs.
12 pair? Why do you need 12 pair?
Because there's January, February.
12 months of the year. 12 months of the year, 12 pairs.